Hello children, let's draw some shapes. Black color. Square, circle, triangle, pentagon, heart, star, colors, pink color, white color, red color, blue color, yellow color, orange color, green color. Square, black color, circle, pink color, triangle, yellow color, star, red color, heart, sky blue color, pentagon, green color, square, black color, circle, pink color, triangle, yellow color, star, red color, heart, sky blue color, pentagon. Please like my video and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching my videos. Bye bye.